latest muna from the the Olongapo information page via the Disaster Risk Reduction DRRMC Olongapo office. DRRMO pala. Okay, this is today, February 5. There has been a rubbish fire or yung mga basura na nasunog, no? The Olongapo Fire Search and Rescue Team Bravo, in coordination with the BFP Region 3, Olongapo City Fire Station and Barangay East Tapinak personnel, responded to a rubbish fire or sunog basura na nangyari kanina sa Olongapo City National High School, East Tapinak, Olongapo City. Ayun. So, Olongapo City National High School pa mismo, no? Tama ba? Doon ba mismo? But anyways, yeah. Okay, the responding units were the BFP, DRRMO, Fire Search and Rescue, Bravo Team, Barangay East Tapinak, East Bahakbakam, personnel and OTMPS immediately responded to the location. Kaninang hapon lang to, no? Yan, okay. Pero okay naman, no? Naapula naman agad-agad at wala nang ibang nadamay. Yan, okay. Eto na. Kasalang Bayan. Ayan, dito sa atin sa Olongapo City, of course. Yan, Actually, nung kahapon, the orientation for couples, yung mga kasali, yung mga pasok sa Kasalang Bayan 2026 was successfully conducted, yung orientation para sa kanila. Yesterday, February 4, at the SMX Convention Center, SM City, Olongapo Central. Ayan. Registered couples attended the orientation where important guidelines, requirements, and reminders were discussed to help them prepare for their upcoming civil wedding. Ayan. The activity reflects the city government of Olongapo's continued support for strong and responsible families. Okay? Yan. Nothing else left to do but kundi ganapin na, di ba? Gaganapin na yung Kasalang Bayan ng Olongapo. It's gonna be at the SMX Convention Center. Right?